Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration hosted by one of the queens of glam on YouTube, the Keisla. Now all we have to do is showcase our favorite color, and that's why the collab is called My Favorite Color Tablescape. And all we have to do is show at least 3 items showcasing our favorite color. The color gold, and I also love clear glass and acrylics on my table. So the first thing I have here is my gold placemat. Added my cutlery, gold and silver charger, gold bread and butter plate. I've added my napkins, which has a gold piping around it, and I also have a little bit of bling with my napkin rings. Glass for water and a glass for wine. The water glass also has a gold rim. On a decanter, I actually have 2 of them on the table. The glass is actually tinted gold, and all the piping is on gold and all the trim is gold. As you can see right here, there's actually scroll work also done in gold. This is actually handmade in Romania. And right beside it, I have a candlestick with gold bling wrap. And right here you will see that I have some candlesticks. I love putting candles on my table. I just find that it just brings up the glam factor. And so what I'm going to do now is actually I'm going to stop talking and allow you to see my gold tablescape from all different angles. So thanks to Keisla for hosting this collaboration. I will try to link a playlist below. I'm not really good at it, but if I can, I will. But I will encourage you to go and check out all the other participants. You're going to see some lovely, lovely tablescape. And once again, this is Carol from Inspired By, and thank you so much and have yourself a great day. Oh, like, share, and subscribe.